Okay guys, it's the first day of spring, and here in Eastern PA, we're getting into our Easter. So, take a day off, and I think we're going to work on the jet ski finally. And I got some updates for you guys. You gotta put the hole in the box there, and then through on the other side. Try and hopefully line it up properly. And then we can ram this intake through it. Okay, there's our pilot hole. The only thing is, this drill is way too big for the fuel line here. So we're going to run over and get our right angle drill. Should be able to properly do this. Yeah, very slow on this one. Alright, so you got the big old Milwaukee right angle drill with the 3 1/4 on the front. Here goes nothing, guys. There we go. Okay guys, now we loosened up the ECU and lifted up a little spacer. Now we can get in here and drill a little easier. Okay. That's out the way. Let's see if the intake fits. We'll clean up and install. Oh, look at that. I'm pretty amazed myself. She just barely work. Now, to properly rotate this, I might have to trim down one of these nipples. It's not rubbing on the fuel line forever. I might have to shorten this a little. Let's see. Yeah, putting this intake on is going to be a hell of a process. But once that video hits in summer and you guys get to see me running with it, it'll be all worth it. Yeah, this should be fun. Okay, we're gonna have to change our game plan a little here. Back loose. Put this on. Put this on. And then I'm gonna squeeze the intake back in. Perfect-ish. And I think we're going to cut about an inch off, not even an inch off this, so we can squeeze back a little further and round one of these down. And then stick the filter on. Put the top half back on and we're good to go. Alright, so after a bit of retrofitting, now mind you, this is a DIY kit. This is me saving a couple of bucks. But, there it is. I got this line back up just about where it needs to be. Okay, just gotta put the clamp on here, clamp on here, clamp here, clamp up here, and connect this tube to the breather. And that's it. Oh, and tighten the ECU back down. Yes, that's the original screen using to hold it up. That's all I had. So, and I also need to take this off, reuse this to connect to that hose. This one's bigger. So there we have it. Let's get it all clamped up. Oh, and by the way, I did end up shortening these here. I cut them about in half and cut my covers down too. And the zip ties are on there for just a little bit of clamping protection. It wasn't worth wasting the actual clamps. Those zip ties put enough pressure on just to keep those from popping off. Okay? Okay, here is the finished product. Looks pretty good actually. All I have to do is hook up that blue hose yet. And that, I did have some issues with these factory style clamps, such as crimp together clamps. So I ended up just putting my own tightening up, regular tightening clamp, which works just fine. Clamp there, up here. That's a little tight, but it will be okay. And like I said, I showed you those before. So there you have it. Now I will put a link in the description down below. I saw this video on someone else's channel. They did an intake just like this on a Spark. I just applied it to a Spark Trixx. So I will put a link down below and give full credit to the ones that the guy originally made this intake setup. And I just used his idea. So that's everything I got for you for the jet ski. Now, in other news to come, I guess, I'm starting, I guess it's kind of like a brand, kind of like it's a Facebook page too. And I'm working on getting shirts and stuff together for everyone. I'm starting a group called Stick Shift Supporters. It's for all of you out there who are avid stick shift fans. Like, you don't think it should ever go away. Every car you own, you want to be a manual if you can help it. It's all about stick shift supporting and keeping it alive. Because I love stick shift. 2 out of 3 of my cars are stick shift. I'm actually selling my truck soon so I can get a stick shift diesel truck. I'm not giving away what it is, but you guys can guess down below what I'm getting. I'll give you a hint. There's no bow tie. So, that's my brand I'm going to be starting. I'm slowly getting on it. And if you want, you can go on Facebook and search Stick Shift Supporters, and you should be able to find it. If not, I can also throw a link for that down below. So, here's the install. There's my news for you guys. Everyone have a good day. See you later.